Hi, Namaste. Generally, we face the problem for the industry, home or office. If you want to save the energy, we have so many difficulties for normal switches. And if you want to automize, it is also difficult with the normal switches. So GLOLED has all the solutions for you. So what we need to do, make a 6 points for you. The first one, replace the old switches with a smart switch. If we have a switches that can be simply replaced with the GLOLED smart switches, we have a 4 touch panel and also we have a different modules directly can be replaced with the minimum cost. It's not a much cost. So हम easily कर सकते हैं उसमें. The second point is, so use the lights like a tunable lights, 3-in-1 lights. Those lights can be adjustable with the according to nature. Suppose in the morning, if you see, we have a warm white. If you see here in the house, it is white. So you can adjust the natural white, warm white. Here also in the home also, we can adjust the outside is warm white, inside is also warm white. Outside is afternoon, we have a white, inside is a white. Like this, we can adjust the light with the these tunable lights. Cost wise is very best price we can get in GLOLED. The third point is make your washrooms, corridors with the motion sensors. So if you have a motion sensor at washroom, whenever we go, the lights will on. Whenever we come, lights will off automatically. It saves you more energy. And staircase also, we can use this motion sensors. Whenever we go stop, it will on automatically. This motion sensor corridor gives the more security purpose also. Whenever we go outside, there is no need to switch on the lights in the home. Whenever we go, the lights will on. The fourth one, what we need to do, if you want to make the ambience more colorful, go with the RGB strips. In RGB, we have a RGB WW, RGB W, RGB addressable, and we have so many things. So it can be operated with the either Wi-Fi or remote or Bluetooth technology. We can easily operate. Those also gives the more colorfulness, more happiness to the home or office or industry. If it is a commercial space, it attracts more clients to the that one also. The fifth one, so generally if you have a home curtains, every day morning we need to remove and add. So it is always very difficult. In the night also we face the very difficult. So to avoid that, we need to with the best curtains. And fans also we can operate with the GLOLED smart solutions. So we can operate fan, we can operate TV, everything we can operate. And geysers, other things also can be controlled in GLOLED. The last one, these all can be operated with the Alexa. We can integrate all these things with Alexa. Some client is coming to the office, it says welcome to the client. Some guest is coming to home, it says welcome to the guest. It can on the guest lights. So if you have all these setup, your house will be more beautiful, more attractive, more comfortness, more satisfaction will be there. What will happen? Suppose if you have all these things. So energy will be saved. You can operate lights from anywhere and you can set the scenes. How you can set the scenes? So suppose you can say good morning, lighting will be there. Good evening, lighting will be there. Function lighting will be there. Guest lighting will be there. Some guest is coming. You can on all the lights according to his taste. Like this, we can set up. We can set the timings for your outdoor lighting. We can set the light. You can set the timings for indoor lighting also. Generally, in a home, if you have a more sleeping our child, so it set the light automatically. So in the morning 6 o'clock, every lights will be on. So it will be done very easily. So come to the GLOLED. You can get the best solutions. GLOLED has a 17 outlets, 3 distributors. So you can visit any outlet or any distributor, you can get the same price. Thank you very much.